Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Nissan Rogue. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle. Adjust your driver's seat for comfortable pedal reach, and position your steering wheel so you can see all dashboard information clearly. Next, check your side and rear-view mirrors, ensuring you have a wide field of vision behind you. Press the brake pedal firmly with your right foot. Then press the engine start-stop button located on the dashboard to power on your vehicle. You are now ready for the next step. To engage a driving gear, keep your foot on the brake. Push the electronic shift lever to the right, then down for drive or up for reverse. For neutral, simply push the lever to the right once. To return to park, just press the P button located on top of the shifter. When parking, remember to activate the electronic parking brake by pulling up the P button near the shifter. An indicator light will confirm it is engaged. To release it, press the brake pedal and push the same button down. The Nissan Rogue features Pro Pilot Assist, a sophisticated driver assist system. It helps maintain your vehicle's speed and distance from the car ahead and assists with steering control on single-lane highways. To activate it, press the blue Pro Pilot Assist button on the right side of your steering wheel. The system will then help keep you centered in your lane and adjust your speed based on traffic. Remember, this is a driver assist system, not autonomous driving. Always keep both hands on the steering wheel and remain attentive to your surroundings. Your Rogue's digital dashboard provides crucial information, including speed, fuel level, and warning lights. Pay close attention to these indicators for safe operation. Additionally, your vehicle is equipped with several advanced safety features. The blind spot warning system illuminates an indicator in your side mirrors if another vehicle is detected in your blind spot. When backing up, the rear cross-traffic alert system can warn you of approaching vehicles from either side, helping prevent potential collisions. These systems are invaluable for enhancing your awareness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.